Hey everybody, I'm going to show you how this guitar looper setup works. To my mind, it's the most powerful guitar looper available. And it's not actually an individual thing. It's made up of a few different components, and I'm going to just demonstrate how it works right now. So one of the first things I want to be able to do when I'm looping is to have a beat to play against. And what you see here, these are a couple of beats I've got loaded up. The great thing about this solution is that you can have an unlimited number of drum beats. It's really versatile in that way. So let's go ahead and start one up. And to do a loop, all I have to do, I'm keeping my eye on this this clock here, which shows me where I am. Right now, we're in a 4-bar loop, and you can change that to 2 or 4, 8, 16, whatever you want, even odd numbers. So I'm just going to start a loop. So I can control the volume and the pan of everything I lay down. So if I want to turn this down or louder, I got control there. I can pan left to right. Okay, so let's lay in another loop. Something that goes with this. So again, I'm just keeping my eye on the clock to see where to come in. So you can see how easy that is. And then another cool thing about this is if I want to, let's say I want to have a different section, so I don't want to just have the same loop going around over and over, I can easily jump to a different section. So I'll show you how to do that. So if I hit this button here, it's going to launch this whole row. And I've got that second beat loaded in already. So let's put a loop over that. All right, and let's just, for fun, let's put a little bass on that. Okay, so I screwed up. I'm just going to hit this, restart that loop. I screw up a lot. Okay, so now we got a second section. Now let's go back and put some bass over that first section. Looking at the clock, it just tells me when we're going to switch over. Go ahead and start a loop. So yeah, you can see that basically I've just started writing a song just by playing around with loops. And maybe one of the greatest things about this solution is the extensibility. So, if you just want to do guitar loops, you're all set. But if you come up with something that you like and you want to start working on turning that into a song, in Ableton, all you have to do is hit a button, and you're over to the arrangement view, which allows you to start recording a song, as easy as this. And you can see the tracks getting laid down. And, we make the switch to the other section that's getting recorded, and then we can go back and put in vocals or do whatever we want to do, lay down a lead. So it's a really powerful system. And so this website will show you how to fit all this together. It's made up of a few different components, but I think what's most important is the ability to have beats, and then you can plug in your guitar and control everything really easily with your hands and your feet in a way that doesn't interfere with playing your instrument. And it doesn't require you to stay, scrunched up looking at a computer screen the whole time. You've also got the ability to know where you are in the loop at any given time with this clock that you can watch, which is helpful. And so this website is designed to show you how to put all this together. It's a powerful setup. And the cool thing is that, if you're just doing guitar looping, you're all set. I mean, you can go from very simple and then get more complex as you grow as a musician. And if you want to move beyond just using a guitar, if you want to do multiple instrument looping, it can expand with you that way. You can use this for horns or cello or piano or vocals or anything you want. So it's a very powerful system, and I hope you find it useful. All right.